He said, don't just follow your bliss or passion, follow your anxiety. No one is coming. No one is coming to save you, to make the things right for you, or to uplift you. No one is coming. If we simply understand this idea and we decide to tackle our anxieties, insecurities, failures ourselves, we can make things right for us. We can completely bring this 360-degree transformation by simply understanding that no one is coming. Danish philosopher Søren Kierkegaard, he put it this way. He said, don't just follow your bliss or passion, follow your anxiety. Adding into it, he also said that anxiety is a Janus phase phenomenon. It has got two sides. The first one is the demonic one. And the more we run away from it, the more this wants to swallow us. The second one is the constructive phase. So he said, there lies your success. You need to follow your anxiety. We have certain anxious moments, right? We do not want to face people on the stage. The moment we meet better communicators, we quickly switch to our native language. We quit. We like to quit. In fact, we love to quit. We never face certain challenges in life. Why? Because the moment we feel anxious, we run away from it. We flee. You remember? Fight or flight? And we choose the latter, flight. So follow your anxiety. That's how you tackle your anxiety. Just follow it. Fail every day. Now this is important. People don't want to fail. Why? They think that failure is a bad thing. It hurts our reputation. Oh, intentionally if you're failing, that's a stupid idea. If you're failing in the same thing, you already know it and you're still failing, that's a stupid idea. But failing regularly while learning a skill or honing a skill, failing every day is a magical thing. Let me tell you the magic it does. When we are trying to hone certain skill and we are regularly failing, most of the people, they quit there because they get frustrated. Oh my God, I won't be able to do it. This is not my cup of tea, not my piece of cake, right? But they forget the magic of neuroplasticity. You know, when we go beyond this level of frustration, then our brain gets a signal. Oh, something is missing. Something is missing. Something is missing. I need to fill this gap, right? Then certain neurochemicals are deployed so that new patterns can be formed. But after failing again and again while learning a new skill, this happens. Why so many people, they are not able to improve their languages, or they never hone certain skills properly? Because the moment they get frustrated, they quit. The moment they face certain challenges, they quit. They do not follow their anxiety. They do not fail regularly. This Mother Nature has given us this wonderful weapon, right? Human brain. And it's highly plastic. You can completely form new connections, but you're gonna understand, all these new connections will be formed if we keep failing regularly, if we go beyond the period of frustration. Then, okay, let me precisely tell you what you're supposed to do. Now decide a day, be it Monday or Sunday or Wednesday, decide any day when you'll be practicing your skill. You'll try your best to hone a certain skill. Go beyond that period of frustration. Then follow Yoga Nidra. Then at night, follow deep night sleep. Try your best to have deep night sleep. When we have this Yoga Nidra and deep night sleep, brain creates new connection. Wow. In fact, I've felt this more than a couple of times. At night, I'm not able to figure out. Then in the morning when I wake up, oh, I get my answer. Wow, thanks to this deep night sleep or yoga nidra and neuroplasticity. You want to be better at something? Follow your anxiety, fail regularly, go beyond this period of frustration. Then you'll witness the magic. And remember, no one is coming. It's only you. You gotta figure it out. If you cannot figure it out, take the help of a mentor or call us. But understand, follow your anxiety and fail every day.